day. 190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video guys, anyone who's interested in joining our trading platform here at Daily Market Movements, where now is a perfect opportunity due to the facts we have just gone commission free. So to create a demo account or a live account, you can just simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video. But let's have a look here at the Nasdaq100. Big announcement today actually, and that is that my bias here has now changed from bearish to cautiously optimistic. And the reason being is because we've now officially clawed back half of our losses that have occurred so far during this bear market, and historically that tells us that the lows are in. So I need to take a step back from my trading screen, which I did do over the weekend, and I just need to realize and tell myself that the stock market doesn't care about myself. It doesn't care about my bias or where I believe the market should be trading. It doesn't care. I am irrelevant to the market. And this is one trait that many traders have, is that they'll have a bias and the market will go against them, and they'll be very, very stubborn, and just they fail to accept that maybe they got it wrong. So you know what, maybe I did get it wrong. This dollar cost averaging selling positions that I've opened from the 50-day EMA up to the 200, maybe I got it completely wrong. So I've actually gone and closed all of those short trades that I had open in a loss. Of course, not to worry, I had a very good risk management in place, so I think I've only lost about 3% of my overall account balance, which is absolutely fine. And I'm not buying the market yet. Okay, this is on my leveraged account. I'm not buying yet because on the RSI we are approaching our overbought territory. So what I want to see is a retest of a 200-day EMA. As soon as we make connection with the 200-day EMA, which currently sits at around 13,420, that's where I will then put my first buy with a target up towards a 0.5 fib area, which is already up around 13,900. So 14k will pretty much be my target going forward. I'm not going to go and open a trade here and put my take profit all the way up at the all-time highs, because there's probably a very good chance that we don't get to those all-time highs. But I cannot ignore the fact that now we have broken above this, this downtrend that we've been trading in for a very long time. I remember when we broke above the 50-day EMA, everyone was saying that I was crazy because I was still bearish in the market. But the truth was then we hadn't broken out of this downtrend, but now we officially have. So this is very bullish. We're back above the 200-day EMA. We have the 50-day EMA sloping very aggressively towards the upside. The 200-day EMA is no longer flat. It's no longer down sloping, more importantly. So that's even starting to trend up towards the upside here. So things are starting to look very encouraging. I think September and October will potentially be very challenging months, but I will be buying on my leveraged account down at the 200-day EMA. And I also want to come out and clarify that I have invested the majority of my cash in my stock account. So this is non-leveraged, this is my stock account. I've gone and bought many of the big tech stocks during today's trading sessions, like of Nvidia, for example. So I'm completely out of cash, and I have now been buying stocks. So I thought it was very important for me to come onto YouTube and clarify that.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement